Okay, hi guys, we're here doing a do-it-yourself pest control project on this particular weekend. A lot of people are kind of scared of the idea of do-it-yourself pest control, but this is something you can actually handle pretty easily. It doesn't need to be done by a person who's actually a professional, as long as you have professional grade stuff, which is what I have here. This is going to be our pump. I'll show you how this gets put together. This is really the most important thing. You have to get some professional quality stuff. I got this online by doing a Google search for do-it-yourself pest control. It cost me, I don't know, I want to say somewhere, it's been a couple years. I say somewhere between the neighborhood of $20 and $40 for this. I have my pump filled with 1 gallon of water, and I need, it comes pre-measured kind of. You just have to pop off the cap, and you're able to squeeze it to reach the line that it needs to be filled up to. It's great once you have it squeezed. It's very easy. You have it squeezed, just pour it in there. Give a little extra if you want to have some extra strength. Cap that back up. We're done with this. Now it's actually, how do you get this stuff to where it needs to go? Here, you put your not exactly sure what this part is called, but what this does is you're gonna pump it up so that it gives the pressure for this spray, which has now mixed, to spray onto your home. So I give it a couple pumps. It gets progressively harder to pump. That's kind of how you know that it's ready to go. Once you do that, really, yeah, now that's coming out in a straight stream. For the purposes of this, I probably want more of a let's see if I can get that better. It's not quite the shape I want. Let me see. There you go. That's the kind of thing I want, where it sprays and it covers a lot of ground. Give us another pump here. Really, what you want to do is you want to form a barrier all around your house, about 2 feet this direction and 2 feet up and down. So as bugs crawl, they pick up on this chemical and it turns them off, and they go back the other way. So you just do like this. I mean, you're just creating that 2-foot barrier. I like to pay special attention when you have things like this. These kind of things, I like to really pay special attention, you know, to all these crevices, that kind of thing. But again, the basic idea is the 2-foot barrier up and down. Once it starts to spray, not so forcefully, give it a pump, a couple pumps, and then you're back in business, right? If you have this aluminum siding on this thing, you might want to spray under there. And that's the basic idea. You're just covering a 2-foot, covering a nice 2-foot up and 2-foot out kind of area. Give it another pump to keep it going. These kind of things, again, you want to pay special attention to anything like this you have on your house, whether it's some kind of pipe going into your house, whatever it happens to be. You want to really kind of give it some special treatment there. And that's the process. I'm going to go all around this house, and probably in about, I don't know, 20 or 30 minutes I'll be all done with this house. Thanks for watching. Hope this tip saves you guys some money.